Welcome to another exciting episode of Truck Tactics and Strategies with Truck 106. I'm Chris Allen on A shift at 106. This is John Backley. The Truck Committee in Operations has decided to slim down the rope complement that is on the fire trucks. The reason why we did this is to fall more in line with the training standards. John, take it away. What John is trying to say is with the slimmed down complement, we have increased efficiency and we have a decreased equipment cost. This new equipment cache will come at no cost to the district and will save us a lot of money. The new complement relies heavily on the MPD device. It's a very slick device that has been on the truck for quite some time. We no longer need the RPM or the rack pulley and Mariner setup that we used to use with the brake bar rack. The MPD is a great device and rules this other device obsolete. It sits in the bags and we don't use it very often. The new device is very
radical.
Slick. Very soon there will be a memo coming out that tells you what the new complement will be. All the old equipment that's on here will get packed up and sent to Rescue 21 and it will be used as training standards equipment. There's going to be quite a bit going back, and like I said earlier, it will all be packaged into one backpack. You have Aztecs on your equipment setup. They can go in the red bag. If you don't want them to go there, you want them separately, you don't have to put them in there. But it will be slimmed down to 2 life safety ropes, some utility rope, a hardware bag, a prepackaged 200-foot pig rig, the 2 Aztecs I said earlier, a harness bag, and that should do it. One more thing, a Stokes pre-rig with 6 carabiners and 2 sections of life safety rope that can be used for tieback. So this is the new rope complement and hardware complement that we're going to be downsizing to on the trucks. It consists of slimmed down to 1 backpack. We're going to have 4 5-foot green webbings, 4 15-foot blue webbings, 4 20-foot orange webbing, 2 MPDs, 12 locking carabiners, 3 green prussiks, 3 red prussiks, 1 gathering plate, 1 large red pulley, 2 small blue pulleys, 1 pickoff strap, 2 edge protection, 1 radio harness. The rope stays the same. Okay, so this is a setup that we have for our ladder operations. If we're going to be going up and over and using the aerial ladder as a high vertical pick point, somebody's stuck on a roof, this is a simple operation that we run. If you want to take a look down here, these kettlebells are simulating our anchors. These are going to be at the base of the ladder. That bottom rung is pretty strong, so you could just use your 2 green webbings. Go to dual MPDs. We have our main line here in blue and safety line over here in white on the left. It would just go down the center of the ladder, go up and over the tip to a gathering plate to the Stokes pre-rig. And you can see with this setup here, we still have an entire complement of equipment that we can use. At any point, we can also switch this over to a raise or lower because we're utilizing the MPDs. So here, we've changed out our system to a simple 3-to-1, so we can raise and lower off this system utilizing the dual MPDs. We don't need to use brake bar racks. We don't need to use load releasing hitches or anything like that. You just add 1 pulley carabiner and a prussic to your line, and you've converted a up and over system into a 3-to-1 haul. And it still has an entire complement of equipment left to use. 1 pulley, utilizing the MPD as your second pulley. So you have your change of direction right there. Okay, so utilizing the exact same system as we had before. This could be an over-the-edge setup, but what we've done is we've taken out the 3-to-1 like we had earlier, And we've added our prepackaged pig rig that all the trucks have with a Prusik. And now you have a lot more mechanical advantage to do any lifting operations that you may need. We still have 8 carabiners, 3 pulleys, a gathering plate, and 5 Prusiks left. And we still can do the same amount of work. So it's slimmed down but very efficient. So on the trucks, we should have the Aztec setups. I know that we had 2 Aztec setups on truck 106, an older setup and a newer setup. This should be the newer setup, which we're going with here. You should have 2 of these right here in fanny packs, ready to go. They fit in the red bags along with this entire complement. You don't have to put them in there, but you can put them in there and it will fit the entire complement in one red bag. So how we're going to utilize the Aztec here is, let's say we were set up for primarily for a lower system, and something happens where we need to temporarily raise our victim before we continue to lower again. We need to correct an error or fix a situation. We could throw a Prusik in, the same as a 3-to-1Z or a pig rig, and we can just lock in an Aztec right here. And now we have mechanical advantage where we can quickly lift on this haul line or turn our lower line into a haul line, and then we can correct any errors we have, lock off at the MPD so everybody's safe, remedy the situation, and then you can take the Aztec back out of the system if you'd like. So it's very efficient. Go. Thank you for joining us for another exciting episode of Tactics and Strategies with 106.
Thanks for stopping by, Sacramento.
Now he talks.